We're playing some games. We're trying to put this ball inside that.
Basket, yes.
It's not a basket case. Level 5. You may ask, level 5? Yes, level 1, level 2, level 3, 4, 5. We are now in level 5. It's hurting. So I cannot walk normally. That's, you will see that in the vlogs. Ooh, that was close. Still on level 5.
Almost.
Lucky ball, lucky ball, lucky ball. Let's go. Oh,
My nose still hurts.
still?
From that day.
Yes, it's in the vlogs. He almost break his nose. Yes, it's on the video. It's on the previous vlog. One point for Corcho.
What happened?
I'm okay.
La cámara es más jodida, bache. Vos quédate vos arriba que
Está
está.
la cámara, mierda.
¿Cómo?
Bring the child with the people.
Don't you ever say something bad about the camera.
Feeling better?
No, it still hurts a lot.
Let me see your
In
mouth.
fact, my nose got bigger.
It's a little bigger. Okay, we are drinking some beers to heal our body after the hard riding.
No, you know what I need right now?
I'm virgin. Like a virgin. Ooh.
I thought very good.
You like a virgin.
No, what I need right now, a roofie. A little roofie.
A dog. My dog Ruffy died the last night in a car accident. Thank you for
Your
recording.
dog is right here.
Thank you for recording me.
Remind me. What?
I'm recording something now.
The other musketeer is calling. Oh my god, that's so scary. Hello. I'm okay. I'm here vlogging, you know? See you later. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Wow, this is amazing. Está muy bueno, boludo. No lo había visto nunca.
Que no pasaba por jacuzzi, ¿te acuerdas que te llamaba?
O sea que técnicamente estaba. Hey, pinky swear. Pinky swear. Pink. Ah. If he goes up to there, I will do the same. Alright. This is the view. It's a little bit scary. Ah, I'm afraid. I'm
Llegó el lechero. Llegó el lechero.
I'm afraid of the heights. No, I'm not afraid of the heights. I mean, I can look at here and I'm alright.
Quiero que te da miedo, man.
But
Es al revés, a mí me da miedo.
it's like scary that if you fall, you can go
Mierda, te vas
down here.
pegando, te estás agarrando.
Yeah, but what if the stair come off of the wall?
Imposible.
impossible is nothing. And I see this cable that it's earth discharge for the lightnings, but I don't know. You know what I remember? Do you see that video of the guy climbing up a tower, like a huge tower? Can you see the star right there? There's a little star in the middle of the sky, and there's my dog in the roof. But here I am, maybe 3 or 4 nights a week. I come here to the terrace with my dog, and maybe I drink some mates. Today I was drinking Coke, not water. Just kidding, it's just Coke. And testing out some settings in the camera of my cell phone. I know the image is a crap, the image is so bad. The weather is slowly getting better, I mean warmer. I love warm weather, I love summer, and we're slowly getting into the summer. We're in springtime right now. Why do I love summer? Because you can be just in a t-shirt, you can just use a t-shirt and you are okay. You can use short pants, you don't have to be like oh damn, so much clothes. You just use a few clothes and you're right to go, you're okay to go. You go to the street like that, and that's awesome. That's really awesome. That's the reason of why I do like summer so much. Except those days it's so freaking hot that you can't stand being outside because you cannot even walk. Awesome day here in Pacheco. We are on the park. It's getting warmer since we are getting more and more close to the summer. It's an awesome day to be here, eating something, drinking some mates, and relaxing. Okay, this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's been random and weird because it's been a weird video. I'm aware of that. That was the idea, to make a pretty weird video with all the footage, but hopefully it was at least interesting. I had a hard time with my head while editing and thinking, what about the burping? I mean, for me, burping, farting, it's normal. I mean, we all do that. And I am actually against all that culture and moral thing about not burping. I did load the volume on those two parts of me and my friend burping, but for me it's actually normal. I did that because some people may like freak out because of just a burping, and I don't get it. When I'm with my friends, when I'm with my girlfriend, I'm okay with burping. I mean, if you are eating and you burp, you are human. That's it. If you don't burp, then I don't know what the hell are you. I prefer you burping, believe me. So I agreed something with my head, and I said, it's okay, let's keep that, you know, but turn the volume down so the people don't freak out too much. So I hope you're okay with that agreement I made with myself. But let's do this, because I want to be honest with myself and I want to burp in this video. First, if you want to join me, click wherever you want. Go to Facebook, go to Twitter. You can give me a message, we can talk. Every time I have free time to answer messages, I do. If you're a viewer and you send me a message, like some of you did, then you know I do respond. So it's not about following me in any of these places. It's about talking, it's about learning, it's about being friend. That's what I want. So if you want to be my friend, go to Facebook, to Twitter, or whatever you want, or just subscribe here, leave a comment, and I will reply your comment with all my heart. So let's finish the video with this attention note. If you don't like burping, you can just quit the video now. If you don't, do this with me. Let's burp for the better of the humanity, okay? 3, 2, 1. That was short, but that was a burp. Bye.